Hey guys, so during my last balloon launch, I was able to track the balloon once it landed using the Spot Personal Tracker, which costs about 50 bucks. The yearly subscription is 150 bucks. It's kind of pricey, but I was able to find out exactly where the balloon landed. I also had a GSM tracker, so it uses a cell phone tower, to try to verify if the coordinates that the Spot Tracker had sent me were accurate. And it kind of crapped out at me. This is it. I took it apart. It's a $50, actually it's cheaper, it's 20 bucks. I bought it on eBay. But the reception is terrible and it's just wasn't working at all. So I upgraded, and let me show you guys what I did. So here are a few components. This is a Adafruit GPS Ultimate Logger Shield. So it has data logging, and of course has a GPS function, and it's stacked on top of an Arduino Mega. You see it on the bottom there. There's the this is a UFL connector GPS antenna. The antenna is all the way outside, so I actually have a fix. Here's the FONA. It's a breakout board that you can buy at Adafruit as well, and this thing has worked remarkably. I'll show you the results in a second. The SIM card is from this company called Ting, and they offer this monthly plan that's about $7, and it comes with the unlimited texting, which is what I'm aiming for here. I want to be able to text this GPS data logging module, and every time I text it, it's going to respond with either coordinates or altitude. I could program a lot more into it, but that's all I really need to know right now, just coordinates and altitude. Not only that, but during the balloon launch, I want a readout to make sure that it's actually working correctly. So I got this, I put this little liquid crystal display. It's tiny. Let's see if we can get it to focus here. So I'm at sea level, I'm at 4, as you can tell, because that's that 9, that 10, that's 10, 11 feet above sea level. So you see the date there as well, the time in UTC. Latitude, longitude. Saving means that the data logging is actually working. Let me make it focus there. There's the data logging micro SD card. I have a 16 gig card, which is way overkill, but anyway. Fix of 1, that's good. That's not ideal. Fix of 2 would be better, because then it uses the differential GPS. That means it uses local stations to do a more accurate reading of coordinates and altitude and everything else. And it's getting right now 8 satellites. And now what I'm going to show you guys is, get this to focus again. I'm going to have to switch cameras here because I'm using my iPhone. Anyway, I'm going to show you how when I text it, it's going to send me back either coordinates or altitude, depending on what I ask it to do. So bear with me here. Okay, here's the last little bit of the demo. Showed you guys how the data logging module works, the liquid crystal display over here, and now let me show you how the texting part of it works. So let's text this sucker coordinates. That's a command to get the coordinates. So give me a second here while I text this. Actually, it's cap sensitive, so let me get rid of the first capital letter. There we go, coordinates. Get rid of the space and send that. And in about a few seconds, we should get a response. It's not focusing. Let me try to. There we go. There we go. So let me try the same with altitude, which is the other command I have programmed in there. Like I said before, that's all I have. Just coordinates and altitude. Let me see if I spelled that right. Altitude. There we go. I don't know what is suggesting Altifife. Anyway, let's ignore that. Send it. There we go. Okay. 7.9 meters. It has a margin of error, but that's about right. And even if the margin of error was like 10 meters, or a little more, that's fine for our purposes, because 10 meters and 37,000 meters that this balloon is going to be high up doesn't really matter. So 37,000 plus or minus 10, that's perfect. And that is it in summary. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and leave any comments if you want.
I'll be posting a video of the balloon probably in the next month or so.